A plus AB plus B is equal to 76. Find the A and B value. How? First we can write the A plus AB plus B plus 1 and 76 plus 1. Both of sides add the plus 1. Now A take the common 1 plus B, and here take the 1, B plus 1, and here 77. And now this is the 1 plus B, take the common, and there is the A plus 1 and 77. Now we can write the 77 is equal to 77 into 1, 1 into 77, and 7 into 11, and 11 into 7. Fourth type we can write. And now this is 1 plus B. So this term is the greater than the 1, and this term always be plus 1. So this term is greater than of 1. So this take the 1. If this take the 1 and this take the 1 both, so that's not equal of what? So this is the greater than of 1, this is the greater than of 1. So this term and this term is cutting. So only take the this or this. This is the case number 1, this is the case number 2. So case number 1 we can write the 1 plus B is equal to, taken the 7, and A plus 1 we taken the 11, and now B is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6, and there the A is equal to 11 minus, this is the 10. So this is the B is equal to 6 or A is equal to 10. And case number 2, so we can write the 1 plus B, this is the 11, and we take the A plus 1 is the 7. So B is equal to 11 minus 1 is 10. So B is equal to 10. And there the A is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. So A is equal to. So this is the AB value. This is the AB value. So AB value is A and B value is 10, 6, or 6, 10. This is the AB value, A and B value. And now prove this. If 10 here, so 10 here, and this is the 10, and this is the 6 into, and this is the 6. So 10, this is the 60, and 6. So total value is 76. This is the proof here. So this is the right value, and this is the here. The A is 6, and the 6 into 10, and there is the 10. So 6, and there is 60, and the 10. So 76. So there is the right. This is the proof. So this value is right. This value is right. So AB value is this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.